Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings. AliShanMao here. While I'm out here, I thought before going home, I'll give a flight to my Eachine flying fish and enjoy a little bit of FPV right here at RC Airport. So let's get the Eachine flying fish ready and have some fun with it. And of course, this one I'm gonna fly with Radiomaster Zorro. I flew it with Radiomaster Zorro before, but I didn't post that video. It was just a test. Today I will talk about my feelings, if everything is going right or wrong. I hope I didn't have to go back to Marina to pick my Eachine flying fish. Okay, let's fly Eachine flying fish with Radiomaster Zorro. And there's no stabilization system. I'm still flying it completely manual. And I don't have the sticks cam, so I'll just talk about my feelings of how things are going with Zorro. Okay, so here we go. Where's the wind coming from? No idea. Let's just take off this way. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so this is first time for me to fly in winds. One moment, I didn't open the antenna on Radiomaster Zorro, so I'm just gonna land the plane. MashaAllah, the launch is super easy on this plane, and it flies like it has flight controller on it. Well, just now when I flew Heaving T1 Ranger, I had to, trust me, do a lot of control. It is a stable flyer, it flies very fast, but requires much more control. While Eachine flying fish here flies absolutely like it's on rails, and mashallah, like it has a built-in flight controller. Now you'll notice that the winds are slapping it. It's getting lift right here. But it's still flying very stable. Look at that. Still very stable. MashaAllah. I'm flying with a 3S battery only. Now let's talk about the Radiomaster Zorro in my hands. It feels really nice in hands. It's small and kind of fits in my hands really nice. I have to get used to the sticks because it has thinner sticks while I'm used to thicker sticks on my Radiomaster TX16S. But getting used to should be pretty easy with this radio. All the switches and everything else, buttons are in my easy reach of my fingers, and it actually feels very good to fly. The controls are translated with much precision as I expected and I wanted to have. So controls are very nice and precise. Everything is translated really nice and good. By the way, I'm flying with SFHSS Futaba R208 son of a bitch SB radio receiver in my flying fish, and binding the Zorro using that protocol was super easy, and it actually did a very good job. Super easy to bind, and flying with Zorro is really fun. Just that, as I said, I have to get used to it because it feels slightly smaller in my hands. But apart from that, everything is good. So this $99 radio is absolutely a good bargain, man. I can tell you that. This radio is really a good bargain because 4-in-1 module, binds to a lot of receivers. You can install an ELRS micro module in it and go long range. You can even have R9 or something like those 433 megahertz systems and go long range FPV with it. Controls are superb and everything works really nice. So Radiomaster Zorro It's definitely a very good radio on a budget. And then running an Edge TX,
engine disabled.
Everything feels like you're home. If you are used to open TX radio controls, you will have a lot of ease to program this radio at home or in your hands.